Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm gonna be talking about one of the most common and most popular question I think I got so many times on my videos, and I'm gonna be talking about that. That question is, can you tell me how much commission or how much money I'm gonna make by uploading 200 products on Creative Fabrica by just uploading it? Can you tell me that commission percentage or any number? Well, I'm going to be answering this particular question in this video, so let's dive in. Before we go past, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can simply click on that link and you can download it, and also you can subscribe to our email newsletter. It's 100% free. We will going to send exclusive content regarding making money online once we get started with that. The link is in the description box below. After uploading, I think I have uploaded a lot many videos about the Creative Fabrica. I'm gonna leave the entire playlist of the Creative Fabrica. If you haven't checked it so far, in the card section above guys, please do check it, because all those videos I talk a lot about the Creative Fabrica, making money with that, getting an approval, a point system, a lot more, because all those videos are really important for you to actually understand what Creative Fabrica is, how does it work, and how a designer can make money online by Creative Fabrica. I already made a video talking about the point system and talking about the earnings, that how much you're gonna make uploading products on Creative Fabrica. I've already made a video talking about that. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above. It was a complete video where I'm uploading the product, how much you're gonna make on Creative Fabrica. So there are basically three different types of the things are there on the Creative Fabrica: the fonts, graphics, and crafts. For the fonts, there is no point system. For the graphics, there is a point system. For the crafts, also there is no point system. So depending on the subscription revenue, the commission depends. Now, there is no straightforward answer to this question guys, because their calculator is quite tricky, and if you're very precise with that, then obviously go with that. But I can give you a rough estimate of the calculator and how it actually works. So if you're uploading a font, and if someone is purchasing your font directly from single sales, then obviously you're gonna get 50% commission from the single sales of that particular font. The same applies for graphics, the same applies for the crafts. If anyone is purchasing your product in single sale, you're gonna make 50% commission from your crafts, from your graphics, for your fonts, whatever product you have uploaded and people have purchased in the single sales. But if you have just uploaded the product and someone is downloaded in the subscription, or if you're just uploading the product, make by that. Fonts, there is a subscription for everyone. There is a subscription. For the font, it's $19 a month. For graphics, it's also $19 a month. And for all access subscription, I think it's $29 a month, in which also include the fonts, graphics, and crafts. So when any customer subscribe to the subscription, or monthly or yearly subscription of Creative Fabrica, the payment is divided into two halves: the first 50% and the second 50%. The first 50% directly goes to the designer whose product have been downloaded in the Creative Fabrica in that entire month. Okay, the second 50% will going to be split into 2%, the 10% and the 40%. 10% will going to decide how much you're gonna make by just uploading a product on the Creative Fabrica. This 10% guys, and that 10% will going to be based on how many fonts are there on the Creative Fabrica, and it will going to be divided into how many fonts you have uploaded in your shop. For example, if there are 10,000 fonts are there and you only have uploaded 10 fonts in your shop, then this 10% will going to split according to it guys. So I can't tell you that exact commission that you're going to make, but this 10% will going to determine a lot. And the rest 40% will going to be divided into all the designers whose fonts have been downloaded for in that entire month when the customer has been subscribed to the Creative Fabrica. Let's talk about the graphic case. Graphic case is a little bit more complicated than you would actually think about, but let me talk about that. So in the graphics, when someone is actually taking the subscription that costs $19 a month for graphic subscription, someone taking that, then we're going to be divided into two halves. The first 50% will immediately going to go to the designer whose product have been downloaded in that month. Straightforward, right? That 50% of the monthly subscription. Rest, that is the second half of the 50%, will going to be split into two halves, 10% and 40%. that 10% will going to go to all the graphics that are there on the Creative Fabrica. Right now, I think they have having 3 million plus graphics onto the Creative Fabrica. Yes, 3 million graphics. And if you have uploaded just 200 products, 200 graphics in your shop, and 3 million graphics are there, then you can actually decide how much you're going to make from that. And another thing to talk about here, there are the point system. Depending on what you are uploading on a Creative Fabrica, you're going to make according to it. For example, if you are uploading a WordPress theme, then you're getting the 10 points. And if you're uploading illustrations, backgrounds, then you're getting the 2 points. So the 10 different kinds of categories are there. Depending on that, the point system is based. I have already talked a lot about much detail about the point system, what product is given which points, and about it everything in detail in that video. I'm going to leave that in the card section above. That explains in much depth about the point system. I'm not going to go that much depth in this video because I've already covered that thing in that video. 10% will going to determine how much you're going to make by just uploading the graphics onto the Creative Fabrica. According to how many graphics are there on the Creative Fabrica and how many graphics you have uploaded on your shop. So that will going to determine how much you're going to make by just uploading the graphics onto the Creative Fabrica. I hope it makes some sense, guys. Please think about it in this way. Don't just always ask me this question, how much commission I'm going to make, how much money I'm going to make. I've already given you the answers in my videos. I'm already telling you that it will going to determine a lot based on how many graphics are there on the platform and how many you have uploaded. If you have just uploaded 200 graphics out of the 3 million graphics that are there on the Creative Fabrica, then you can know how much you're going to make from that, because that 10% will going to be divided into all the graphics that are there on the platform, depending on how many graphics shop owner have in their shop. And rest 40% will going to go straight forward to the all the designer whose graphics have been downloaded in that entire month. If you are uploading a graphics, you have uploaded a graphics, font case is different, I already talked about that. But if you have uploaded a graphics, depending on what kind of graphics you are uploaded, if you are just uploaded simple illustrations or backgrounds, that only gives you the 2 points. But if you have uploaded the WordPress theme or WordPress plugin, then you would be making more than that. Even if you have uploaded a mockup scene generator, you are making more money from that. So depending on what kind of graphic you have uploaded, you're gonna get the points, and that points will going to be calculated from the entire Creative Fabrica thing, guys, which I can't tell you, because there are 3 million graphics currently. How many people have subscribed to it? Then 10% of the revenue will going to be split between all the graphics that are there on the Creative Fabrica. Now guys, I can't tell you the exact number. Please try to understand that, because I've been getting many comments, many questions again and again regarding this particular thing. I can't tell you that because it's so much tricky. There are 3 million graphics out there, and 3 million graphics are in various different categories and niches are there. So again, it depends many points, and also your shop would also be having many graphics in different categories and different niches. So that 10% will going to determine how much you're going to make, how many people have subscribed to it, how many graphics have already been uploaded on the Creative Fabrica, and how many graphics you have in your shop. The only thing I can tell you, the more you upload, the more you make. The exact number is not there, the exact commission is not there, and that's what I have to tell you. Now I have already answered this particular thing in many videos, so please do guys check my videos. Hopefully I have answered this particular question or comment or doubt in this video. Please do guys check my videos first, because I have talked a lot about these things in my videos. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.